everybody, this is Praxis and I'm on site today, but not to do any work. There's been a lot of other things that have been piling up on my plate, and given the fact that it's cold out, my muscles are cold, my muscles are still sore, you know, all that other stuff, I think I'm going to take today and do some of those other things that I needed to do and not work here. But the reason that I came here today was to make sure that this stuff was okay. I was supposed to be getting the delivery of the materials for the shed today. Yesterday I called up to confirm it was happening. They said yes it was, and they gave me an enormous window. They said they'd show up somewhere between 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. It's 12 hours. This morning I called up to find out, you know, if they could narrow that window down, like will it be before lunch or after lunch or whatever. Well, when I called up, they told me that it had already shown up. They were supposed to definitely give me a call ahead of time. They told me yesterday they would give me a call a half an hour in advance. No call ever came through. So, you know, I just came down here to make sure that stuff got delivered properly, and it didn't. You know, they brought one pallet down there. They left this one here, I think, maybe because it's a little longer, it's a little more awkward, I don't know. I'm going to have to carry all this stuff down there. I don't think I'm going to do it today because my muscles are cold, my muscles are still sore, and, you know, I got other stuff to do anyway. So I'm going to leave it here. There was some concrete that got delivered down there. At least it's covered in plastic. But anyway, the reason I'm doing this video today is that when you engage with people, I think I mentioned in a video recently, you know, that unfortunately, usually the safe bet is to not trust people. And, you know, I'm trustworthy, you may be trustworthy, but, you know, don't take that for granted with other people. Check. If I had not checked this morning to try to narrow down the window of delivery, I would have been sitting around all day waiting for a phone call that was never going to come. So it's good to question people. It's good not to trust people. What awful advice. But it's unfortunately, it's real. It's true, either through incompetence or, you know, malfeasance or whatever. You know, very frequently people tell you they're going to do one thing, they do something else. So it's good to check. And I hate having to issue that advice. It sucks. It's stupid. People could be so much better than they are, but they're not. They choose not to be. So yeah. Trust, but verify. That's it. Thanks for watching.